How to sell on Facebook Marketplace from your phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. So here you can see the option of Marketplace at the top of the screen. Simply select on that. Here you have two options, to sell and categorize. Simply select on sale. So you can tap on the items over here, and here you can simply add the pictures of the item that you'd want to sell. So I'm going to select on add photos and tap on any item over here and then tap on next. Now you can just add the title, let's say kitchenware. You can add the price, you can show the condition, you can have descriptions over here as well, and then you can just simply tap on publish. So as you do that, your item will be visible to other people to buy, and you'll be able to sell on Facebook Marketplace from your phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.